Gina here from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads. I'm here today with another subscription box unboxing. This one is from Urban Glitz Fashions, which you can find in the information section below. I'll list their website. You can find them on Cratejoy and sign up if you're interested. They are $34.99 a month, and they offer 4 different boxes: a Rockstar box, a surprise bead box, a glamour box, and a boho chic box. So there are different options depending on your personal style. I actually had no idea that I was getting this. The owner, who is awesome, she sent me this subscription last month, and I got the Rockstar box. And yeah, I had no idea she'd be sending me another one. So I did receive, in full disclosure, this in exchange for my honest review, which is what I'm doing for you guys today. So let's see what she sent. I'm very excited. All right. I made some really cool pieces with last month's box. I did a finished jewelry update on that a few weeks ago. If you are interested in seeing what came in the Rockstar box, you can check that out. And it looks like, this is cute. Awesome. So for July 2018, the Glamour box is what I received. Awesome. And she's got everything listed out on this really cute card. So let's go through everything and see what she sent. See some really cool items. So for those who hadn't watched this unboxing last month, just so you know, with Urban Glitz Fashions, it's a little different than some of the other bead box subscriptions that I unbox. She sends some very, very unique items. So if you're somebody who really wants to step out of the box and get some really unique pieces that are maybe more bold and unusual than you would see in other bead subscription boxes, this one is probably for you. So let's get started. Number 1 says 1 meter of orange and gold floral cording. Wow. Check this out. See, this isn't something that I would go out and purchase on my own, but now that I have it, I think I could make some pretty cool things with it, because that is super unique. Last month in the Rockstar box, not to keep going back to last month, but she also sent some awesome cord, and I was able to make a 3-strand bracelet and a pretty cool multi-strand necklace with it. And at first I really wasn't sure what I was going to do with it, but it came out to make a piece that I really, really loved. So you just never know. But yeah, look at this. It's like bright orange, gold, purple. Definitely something that's not for everybody, but very unique and will make you think. And I will be thinking about what to do with this. That's pretty neat. Very flashy. So, cool. Okay, so that's our first item. And she also sent some more cording, it looks like. And that's our item number 2, which is called 1 meter of gold braided cording. And that is this right here, which I love. Absolutely adore this cording. This is so beautiful. I really like it. I don't have much interesting cording. I have suede, and that's about it. So it's fun to get something like this because it really makes me think. You can come up with some really unique products that way. So it's beautiful. Okay, so let me slip that back in the bag and we'll go to number 3. And number 3 is called 7 Sand Lava Beads, 12 millimeter. Okay. So she sent some awesome yellow lava beads last month. And check this out. This is a larger size lava bead than I've ever had in my possession. 12 millimeter. So very good size. And the color, I guess, is called Sand. And I can see why. Those are lovely. These are really cool to use as little oil diffusers. So that's great. And again, I've seen them in black quite a bit, but this is another color that I haven't worked with. So, more uniqueness. Alright, then we have number 4, which is 25 square turquoise beads in 8mm. Oh, that's cool. Very interesting. I'm not personally a huge fan of turquoise. I like the color. Turquoise definitely has a very, like, to me, southwestern flair. It's pretty cool. It always, I think it looks good with, like, oranges or corals. I always like that combination. And the shape is really cool. So I'm sure I'll use these in something. It's not something I'd be drawn to right away, but they are very cool. So look how the holes are drilled on the diagonal. Isn't that neat? So you could definitely do something interesting with those turquoise beads. They're not your average turquoise bead. Okay, so then the next item is number 5, 7 Mother of Pearl Star Beads, 18mm. Oh my goodness. These are stunning. I love these. Mother of Pearl Star Beads. These are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So, let's see, the holes running, you can see it there, up and down. Very nice. They're all just a little bit different. Got a nice weight to them. You can hear the sound they make too. They're very nice. Okay. So you can see what I mean for sure about the items being unique and bold. So that's something you want to take into consideration if you are interested in signing up or maybe giving this as a gift to somebody who you think might like to challenge themselves and who's really into making jewelry and who likes bold and creative things. So yeah, you can get an idea already. The next item is number 6, 26 yellow and white jade beads, 8mm. Okay, jade. Wow, those are pretty. I'm loving these. Take out some. Those are really pretty. They're swirled. So beautiful lemon yellow and white. Dyed jade. So they've got the cold feel of like a stone because they are. I love that swirl pattern on them. That's really pretty. I have a yellow and white dress that I recently purchased on eBay that this would be perfect for, actually. So we'll see what happens with that. I'm just gonna put them back in as best I can before they roll all over the place on me. And then we'll go to the next item, which is number 7, 50 coral iridescent round beads in 6mm. Okay. Oh, wow. These are gorgeous. I love those. I'm really liking the beads in this Glamour box for sure. Those are so sparkly. Those are so beautiful when the light hits them. Wow. Super iridescent. And what's cool is that they're on that, like, really, they call it coral, which they're, to me, a little more orangey than what I would think of as a coral. They're more of like a burnt orange. But I love them. They're gorgeous. Whatever you want to call the color. super shiny. My eye was drawn to those right away, along with another item that I haven't shown you yet that I'm getting to, which is the next one, and that is the number 8 Gold Adventuring Chips. So that's these, and look at the sparkle on these. Wow. Those are gorgeous. Whoops, got beads going everywhere. Look at the glitter factor in these chips. So cool. They are so glittery. You can kind of see, if I do a good close-up on them, just how glittery those are when the light hits them. Those are stunning. So you can see also why this would be considered the Glamour box. Lots of stunning, sparkly items. Okay, and then the next item is number 9, 3 gold-plated sea-themed charms. So you not only get beads, but you get charms. And you saw that you already get some cords, so you get a variety of things. So these are really cool, I can already tell. And they're gold-plated, like it said. Those are super cute. Last month, in the Rockstar box, she sent some nautical-themed charms that I believe were, I think they were gold-plated as well. Yep. And I made a couple of sets of bracelets with them, and I love how those turned out. So you can see how beautiful these charms are as well. A little fish, a shell, a seahorse. Very cute. So that one's two-sided. This one's not two-sided, which I love two-sided, but it's still cute. Very nice. Okay, and then number 10 is 4 gold-plated cord end caps, which is always nice to have, especially because she included cord, and she was thinking, you know, about how you would need some cord ends in order to work with that. So very happy to get those because I did use up my cord ends that she sent last month. So that gives you something to work with that cord. Very nice. And for our very last item, we have more findings. It says gold-plated lobster, clasp, and jump rings. Very nice. So I don't need to take that out of the package because you get the idea for sure, but that allows you to have pretty much what you need in order to make yourself a couple of really nice projects. So that was nice. I'm really happy that she sent me this box and I could share it with you all so you could decide what you think of the subscription. I am very happy with the types of beads and the uniqueness of the items that she sent. Like I said, I had a lot of fun last month making projects out of those items and really challenging myself because they were items that I wouldn't have normally been drawn to on my own, but this gave me a reason to try something new. So I'm excited to use these items as well, and as always, I will update you with the projects that I make in future finished jewelry updates so you can kind of get an idea and inspiration on what you might do with items like this. So thanks for being with me, you guys. It was fun doing this unboxing with you and getting to share in the excitement. Feel free to leave me a comment letting me know what you thought, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching!